Is grammar important for spoken English? What do you think about this? First of all, just comment us yes or no. Is grammar important for spoken English or not? So I'll also tell you in this video, but you can comment us what do you think and what is your opinion. I want to say for this, grammar is important and not important also. Because, for learning this language, you need grammar. But not full grammar, I want to say. So let's explain this. Okay. So why I'm saying grammar is not important. The first, because there are many people, they know very good grammar, but in spite of that, they do not speak in English. They are not able to speak in English. So they should speak in English. Now, if they know grammar, then they should speak English. So, and the another side, if we see why grammar is not important, because there are many people, they don't have very good knowledge of grammar, but they speak very good English. So I want to just give a result of this, like, if you want to speak in English, so I would not say grammar is so much important, but according to me, everybody should learn functional grammar. And what is our functional grammar? Functional grammar is the part of grammar used in English speaking. So language, English language is made by grammar. Sentences are created by grammar structures like this. So you need at least some grammar, some part of grammar. So we say in our language this is kind functional grammar. So you should learn like tenses, modals, prepositions, conjunctions, noun, pronoun, some part of this. But I just say ki only concept you should learn. You should not go for the types and more in details. So I would just say only this: if you want to learn spoken English, so you can learn functional grammar, and grammar is also important and not important as well, both. Okay, according to me. So if you want to learn spoken English, so you need to learn only functional grammar, some part of grammar. Don't go deeply for spoken English. Okay, just learn the concept and speak in English in your daily life. Thank you so much for watching this video.